So in this video we are going to understand the layer preparation for your habitable room. Okay, so here you can see for habitable rooms like your kitchen, your bedroom, child bedroom, storeroom, etc. So all you have to do is, as I mentioned earlier, everything is clearly mentioned in your drawing manual. So here you can see regular room layers have been mentioned with the color code that is required. So in the drawing, first thing first, I need to prepare the built-up area layer. That is mandatory. This is to denote that this portion of your building is to be considered as the built-up area where the building is going to be constructed. This is the construction area. Inside this, you need to provide the regular room layers, your habitable room layers. So let's check what are the habitable room layers that I have provided, that we need to provide. So if you see, I am going to switch on all the layers, so I think this will be more clear. So here you can see in the first floor, okay. So I have a kitchen, a puja room, a toilet, a bedroom, a living room. I have a veranda, I have a staircase which I have already explained you earlier. Then I have a lift area, I have a living room, I have another kitchen, I have another puja room. Then this is a toilet and this is a bedroom. So basically these two are divided into two different units. Okay. So if you see, this is unit 1, this is unit 2, or this is unit 1, this is unit 2. Okay. So in unit 1, you can see I have kitchen, puja, toilet, bedroom and this living room. So for those, to denote that these are your habitable room, all you have to do is you just need to provide the regular room layers. Okay. So for in the drawing manual it is mentioned for habitable room, bedroom or first bedroom in case of 2-bedroom house, you need to provide this layer with the color code 30. So the layer name is block N, floor and regular room, DWN, matlab dwelling unit 1. So you can see I have a bedroom. So if I click the bedroom polygon, then you can see that I have already mentioned here block 1, floor 1, regular room, DW2. Why I have mentioned DW2? Because it is already here mentioned as DW1. This bedroom, this is DW1, matlab this is bedroom 1 and this is bedroom 2. If you have 3 or 4 number of bedroom, then you can name it accordingly, DW1, DW2, DW3, DW4. But make sure that the layer names are correctly done. That is the reason we have mentioned here DWN. N denotes n number of regular room layers, okay, for bedroom. Similarly, if you proceed further, this was for bedroom. Then we have the living room. So I am going to check for the living room. Where is my living room? Okay, here I have habitable room, living room. Now this also has the same layer. So many of you must also think that the layer names are similar. Then how does it differentiate? It differentiates with the color code. If you see for bedroom, regular room color code was 13. Okay, n number of bedroom. Even if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 bedrooms, you will name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and with the color code 13, then it is going to denote 10 different bedrooms. Similarly, if you go for living room, the color code is mentioned as 18 over here. So I am going to provide a living room area with the color code 18. So let us see. Okay, so I have provided block 1, floor 1, regular room, DW2 with color code 18. DW2 because I already have DW1 living room here with color code 18. So once you create these habitable room layers, similarly for kitchen also, you can check for kitchen also it is block 1, floor 1, kitchen with color code yellow. If I see in the drawing manual, it is mentioned. Here it is the kitchen. So I have used color code 2, which means it is only kitchen. If you have kitchen with store, the layer is same but the color code is 1. The color code 1 denotes the kitchen with the storeroom. Similarly for pantry, if you have this layer, if you have a pantry and not a kitchen, then you can use the color code 3. If in this polygon you can see it is mentioned as yellow kitchen.